rooftop.
Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday morning. Welcome to today's vlog. My hair's so poofy today, and I don't know why. I just kind of like threw it back, but it's like crazy. It's like a lion's mane. Ugh. I have been really lazy today. It took me 2 hours to get out of bed just because it's cold outside. I got out of bed to make some coffee and then I went back in my bed. So I'm gonna make some more coffee. Now I'm starving. I'm gonna make some avocado toast. The rest of the week is like prep week before life gets crazy this month. If you guys want me to make like a playlist video, because I've been seeing playlist videos all over YouTube now. If you guys want me to make one, let me know down below. And whenever I put some music in videos, everybody always asks what songs, Spotify username. This month I've just been listening to like happy music. I'm also trying these new coffee pods. They're the Starbucks Plus. So they have more caffeine, which I obviously really need.
I only love my bed and my mom.
Oh, I was always on time and I gave you my all. So now you call, I decline.
The sound of your heart, but I got the good side of things. I will meet in the spring, we'll catch up on everything. I'll say I'm proud.
Oh, baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle, I'm just a little. Yeah, no, baby.
Okay guys, it is like my second week of online school and it is so, you are basically teaching yourself, which I don't really mind doing. It's a lot of planning. I love planning, which is like my favorite part of doing online school. I have two planners. Little planner is my school planner, so I put everything school related in here. This is for this week's school agenda, and everything's color coordinated, chalk filled with plans. And then I have my everyday life planner right here. It's the same exact planner, but in bigger form. This is like my school website type thing for online school. And I'm just trying to figure out what I can do today. Okay guys, it is like almost 5 p.m. I have teeth whitening trays in, so I have a little bit of a lisp. A lot of a lisp. I'm the biggest idiot to ever exist, okay? I was gonna eat. I don't know why I thought I could eat with these in, so maybe I'll take them out and eat. I have the weirdest eating habits ever. Obviously, I also got ready for the day, but I have the weirdest eating habits. The way that I like to eat is I like to listen to my body, and when I'm hungry, then I'll eat, and when I'm full, then I'll stop, but I'm never hungry in the morning. If you guys have watched me for a really long time, then you know I don't really eat breakfast, hence why I eat at like 1 p.m. So I'm gonna have a little bit of a snack, this lisp, before I have to go to work, and then I usually won't eat again until like 9, 10, or 11 p.m. And I also do drink a lot of water, so that helps curb like any like fake hunger that I feel. I'm gonna eat this RX bar. This is one of my new favorite protein bars. This is the chocolate sea salt. Hi guys, good morning. It is Thursday and I look a little rough, but I had to just like get out of my house. Otherwise I would have never gotten out of my house for today on time. But yeah, I just have a lot of errands right now that I have to run. First things first is I need gas. I'm literally running on empty. I have so many errands that I have to run for this weekend, so I also lost my car tripod, so sorry that I'm vlogging and holding the camera, but I'm not really paying attention to you guys that much. Anyways, I wanted to take you guys along. First stop is the liquor store. I hate going to the liquor store because I always get this weird anxiety, even though I'm 22, that they're gonna think my ID is fake. I don't know what they would do because it's real, but it's just something I always think of. Get little mini champagne bottles because I'm gonna glitter them, kind of like Remy did for her birthday a couple years ago, and I'm gonna give them to Julia's friends and then me and Tori and, you know, for the party this weekend. And I'm also gonna make little bags for like hangover kits. I think it's gonna be really, really cute. Okay, next stop is a place that I didn't mention, but it's Michael's. I need to get cake stuff because it's not only Tori's sister's 21st birthday, it's also Tori's birthday, so I have to celebrate Tori's birthday too. I'm gonna make her a cake, and she's turning 23, and if you guys know Blink-182 lyrics, nobody likes you when you're 23, so it's gonna be a fun cake. Except for I can't find the red spray version of this, which I need, so I'm just gonna get some red sprinkles. Hopefully it works. I also need black writing icing, but they don't have it here, so I have to go somewhere else too, on top of this. It's fine. Okay, I don't know how it's only 1:20. It feels like I have been shopping forever and I'm so over it. I've been into Target twice because I forgot something. The Dollar Tree was like kind of a hit, kind of a miss. Something big that I needed wasn't there. And while I was checking out at Michael's, I realized the Blink symbol is like a hot pink, not red. I don't know why I was thinking red. It's kind of like more Spider-Man. And they're not even like the correct Blink colors, but I honestly don't even care. This is all they had, so come at me, Blink-182 fans. This isn't greenish and this isn't hot pink. I really don't care. Another big victory. When I went into Target a couple days ago to look for cake stuff, they didn't have black icing, so I didn't think that they would have it this time, but they do, so I don't have to go to another store, but I do have to go to 2 more stores. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this what I eat in a day, which has totally not turned into a what I eat in a day. I also haven't eaten anything today. This is literally how I eat. This is why I don't do what I eat in a day videos, because I am terrible at eating. It's bad that in New England, it is not even, it's 48 degrees right now. And I'm wearing just a thin sweatshirt, like not even a sweatshirt really, and my windows roll down because I'm so hot. Okay, I'm finally home and I have about 2 hours until I have to start like getting ready for work because I have to go to work tonight. I've never obviously done this before, only seen it, the final product. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm pretty sure Remy used Mod Podge, but I'm gonna use this like spray adhesive that I got at Target. Okay, I'm sitting here, whoa, watching Dr. Phil because this is low-key one of my favorite shows ever. Anyways, I have done about 6 of the bottles and I think that they're coming out so well. So this is what they look like so far. I have like a little bit of a mess, but honestly not as messy as I thought it was gonna be. The original bottle looks like, so I taped all of the labels, like this label and then this label, and I did it kind of messy because honestly no one's really gonna care that much.
A real bear out there by coincidence, April Fool's. For 70 years, WBC has weathered the storm with you. So starts with this cat baby define us as losers. Whatever makes you president. Bag full of trash. What happens next? Nothing. Only Glad has Febreze to neutralize odors for 5 days.
Okay, so I finished the bottles, but I started to take the tape off and it's so much harder than, I don't know why I thought it would be really easy. And I have spray adhesive everywhere. But this is kind of what it looks like and I think it looks pretty messy. So I think I'm gonna spray this again and just glitter it all because I think that this looks a little bit better and cuter, so I'm gonna respray and glitter all of them because over the labels I really didn't spray that much. So as you can see, you can kind of see the label. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, but besides that, I think that they're super cute. Okay guys, I just got home from work and I'm covering my shirt up so you guys don't see, but I wanted to end the vlog. I'm not gonna continue on the vlog tonight, even though I have so much to do before I can go to bed and wake up at 8 in the morning for my spray tan appointment because your girl is real pale right now. Yeah, I'm gonna dye my hair and I still have to pack and I have to edit and I have to shower. But I will see you guys in my next video on Tuesday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, whatever it kind of was. Really was not a what I eat in a day, so I'm really sorry, but they're really hard for me unless I'm on like a stricter diet or like I'm really watching what I'm eating. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video anyways, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe down below and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye!
She loves control. She wants it her way.